Here is some of my garnets I found. I've made a couple of them into some necklaces here. Still in the rough, but super pretty. I'm going to eventually shine some of these up, make some cabs out of them. But for raw and for rough garnets, I feel like they're in pretty good shape. Decent anyway. This is my best find right here. It's about 80 carats. Some smaller ones here with inclusions. Some of the host rock, I got these two out of some quartz. There's a flat piece. I found a whole bunch of smaller ones too, but these are just some of the best ones, the biggest ones. All really pretty, and once I polish them up, they're gonna be really nice. So yeah, some of my garnet finds. That sucker's beautiful.